Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled, I Have Spoken. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. The figures I used were Kuiil and IG-11 from Star Wars The Black Series by Hasbro. To start my setup, I positioned my operating table, which was made from a spray-painted egg carton and a folded strip of cotton. Next, I placed my doctor and patient. I borrowed this wrench from the Bad Batch's tech figure. With my toys in place, I filled in the rest of the scene behind them with some basic props. I used this makeup brush holder and lantern flashlight, as well as a few Black Series bits and pieces. The background was a large piece of styrofoam that I carved and painted. My last step before shooting was to adjust the lighting a bit. On to editing. This was an easy edit. I started by adding some adjustment layers and slightly tweaking the perspective before cropping the image quite a bit. Next, I did some dodging and burning on Kuiil's face to really bring out the detail in the face sculpt. I also did some dodging to make IG-11's features more visible. Lastly, I added a vignette around most of the edge. So here was our starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.